Good day, everyone. Thank you all for stopping by. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please do well by subscribing to my channel. On today's episode, I am making tofu awara, which I know as wara, which is being made from soya beans. So after soaking my soya beans overnight, I drain off the water and wash off the skin and separate the skin from the soya beans. And after that, I added it to my blender. I blend it, and after that, I separated the milk from the shaft, and after separating it, I put in my pots on the cooker, then added the milk to the pot. This is me adding one lime to the pot, and after, as you can see, the milk is already separating from the water. And after that, I added habanero pepper, which is optional. And after, I allowed it to boil and take off the milk, and after that I had to use my chiffon cloth and added the milk to the chiffon, and I tied it and placed heavy objects on it so as to drain off the water. And after that, you can see the shape the stone gave the water depending on the object placed on it. Then after, you can cut to your desired size and fry. You can actually bake it and oven dry it, whichever way you like, but I love to fry my, which after frying it came out so good. You can enjoy it with soya spice, anything you like, and you can eat it like that as snack. So thank you for watching, and let me know where you're watching from so as to send you greetings in my next video. And shout out to my existing subscribers. Thank you all. Your engagement keeps me going.